Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, and I am Mrs. Pandit. So today's video is Miss India bloopers. We have Kirti Suresh and Narendra Nath Thaman S. And yes, we already have done the Miss India trailer reaction, and that was full of women empowerment. And that's what I like the fact most about that, because मतलब जो कंटेंट वाइज है, जो टॉपिक के ऊपर ये मूवी बनी हुई है, उस टॉपिक को ही ऐसा है कि मतलब कोई भी पसंद कर लेगा. ठीक है, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस टॉपिक है एंड बहुत ज़्यादा भारी टॉपिक है, यू कैन से, एंड वेरी मच नीडेड है. तो वो तो हम ऑलरेडी बात कर चुके हैं. अभी है फन फैक्ट ऑन दिस इज़ ब्लूपर्स. तो चलो देखते हैं ये लोग कैसे इन्जॉय किए, कैसे स्ट्रगल किए, कैसे क्या नहीं किए ओके शूटिंग के दौरान. तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड, बट बिफोर दैट इफ लाइक टुडेस कंटेंट डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड आल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. वाओ, वेनिस और
You should see the show. I was going to do this because like Dino can't sing.
Your performance in the last 2 months is very bad.
ಯಪ್ಪ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗ ಆಸ್ಕರ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬಂತು.
క్యూ మన టీచర్ ఉంది ఇప్పటి టీచర్ I was trying to continue.
సింపుల్
వాళ్ళని తర్వాత సరి వాళ్ళతో పాటు తీసుకొని వచ్చేవారంట.
Kirti Suresh herself is very cute, you know. Her face, her smile is like to die for. She's very cute and she's a very versatile actor also as well. And this shows like how many cuts they are having in real life. Like I think per shot probably 50-60 cuts, I think. Okay, minimum I'm telling. दैट इज़ वॉट आई एम थिंकिंग, बिकॉज ये टफ होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, एकदम प्रॉपर एक्सप्रेशन देना एंड टू द पॉइंट, एवरीथिंग शुड बी प्रॉपर ओके. एंड वो अगर नहीं हुआ तो कट्स देना ही पड़ेगा. एंड एवरी वन इज़ एन्जॉइंग ऑन द सेट्स, दे ऑल आर लाइक फैमिली, दे ऑल आर फीलिंग हैप्पी, दे आर लिटरली दे आर फीलिंग द मोमेंट. दैट इज़ वॉट आई लाइक द मोस्ट. आई थिंक इसीलिए कहते हैं कि रिलेशनशिप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होनी चाहिए. इफ़ यू आर प्लेइंग इन अ टीम और इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ मूवी ऑल टुगेदर, you just have to be a little bit more coordinated with all of the circumstances okay around you. So that is very true, and I saw that from the very light person or the directors or the assistant directors or the makeup man and the actors and actresses, everyone are having a great bond with each other. And that is why I think the every movies are, standing so good in front of the audience, because the correlation is very important. Okay, and here it was like literally it was showing that they are having a great bond with each other. Okay, and कीर्ति सुरेश जब भी मिस्टेक कर रही थी वो हंस रही थी, एंड आई वाज रियली लाइकिंग द फैक्ट दैट वो इतनी स्वीट है, उतनी अच्छे तरीके से वो पोलाइटली बोल रही है कि ओके ओके ये फिर से करते, अरे अरे मैं भूल गई, एंड मतलब कोई भी हंस देगा, ओके कोई भी स्माइल दे देगा, वो बहुत ज़्यादा इनोसेंट टाइप का उनको लग रहा था. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो जो मेल कैरेक्टर थे वो भी, ही वॉज लुकिंग वेरी एंग्री एंड ही वॉज लुकिंग वेरी सीरियस ऑन द स्क्रीन, बट इन रियल लाइफ ही वॉज फुल ऑफ फन. ओके, सो एवरीबडी, दिस इज द ट्रू फैक्ट. लाइक when we see a movie we think that okay, this villain is looking very angry and he is looking very serious, so I think in real life also he is like that only, but no, the reality is something different. Okay, so yes, that is, I really like to see the bloopers just because of this fact that on screen which we are seeing, off screen the reality is completely different. Okay, what we are seeing in the on screen, so that is why. And also I really love to see the facts, like how they are having fun, how they are struggling, how they are doing their own struggle in the perspective of having the great shots each moment. So that is very important, and that is why I love the bloopers. And on top of that, everyone's smiling face, everyone's silly kind of face, cute smiles, that I also really like to see. Okay, आप देख सकते हैं मैं बहुत सारा bloopers video already कर चुकी हूँ. Okay, whether it is तलपति विजय sirs or अजित sirs or विक्रम sirs or any kind of like round to hell का भी, माइक सेट का भी, and बहुत सारे ऐसे कर चुकी हूँ. तो मुझे यही फैक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि कितना ज़्यादा मेहनत ये लोग करते हैं, एंड उसके बाद कितने अच्छे तरीके से 100% सक्सेसफुल एक मूवी निकलती है. तो आई रियली लाइक दैट फैक्ट रियली. एंड येस, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये ब्लूपर्स बहुत स्वीट था, एंड आई एम रियली होपिंग कि मिस इंडिया जल्दी से रिलीज़ हो जाए एंड हम देखें एक मास्टरपीस. आई एम रियली श्योर दैट दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ मास्टरपीस मूवी, बिकॉज टॉपिक बहुत ज़्यादा ज़बरदस्त है एंड कीर्ति सुरेश बहुत अच्छे से ये करने वाली है. आई एम totally sure about that fact. Okay, because Kirti Suresh itself is a top class actress, and she is the perfect match for this role, woman empowerment. Okay, so yes, we are really hoping to get this released, movie released soon. And yeah, so that is it for today's video, and now this is time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Sabarish Nathas S, and he's commenting on press meet reaction from the movie Kathi, and he's commenting give a reaction for Marcel movie climax Vijay Anna speech. So yeah, we are very sorry that we have already done this scene, but it was blocked and we have already gotten copyright issues for this scene particularly. So we cannot do that. We have tried several times after getting copyrights also, but we are very sorry, we cannot take the risk. And yes, I have already seen that scene, as I told that I have already given the reaction on the scene. That was outstanding and we really enjoyed that scene, really. But we cannot do one more time. Okay, so I think you can understand our situation, and yeah, thank you so much for the suggestion, for commenting and for watching our videos. So the second comment for today's video is from Sheikh Atif Sabri, and he's commenting on Aladdin reaction from Round to Hell, and he's commenting and yaar nice video. तो yes, Aladdin का जो ending था, my god, मतलब क्या बोले, मैं बोल भी नहीं सकती कि मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ. ओके, तो बहुत ज़्यादा फनी था, एंड ऐसे ही कंटेंट लोग बनाते हैं ना कि एडल्ट कंटेंट है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. बट येस, मतलब वो एडल्ट चीज़ ना लगती नहीं है कि बहुत वल्गर लग रहा है या फिर बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. ऐसे वो लोग बनाते हैं कि कोई भी हंस देगा, कोई भी इंजॉय करेगा. ठीक है, बहुत फनी था एंड एंडिंग मस्त था उसका. डेफिनेटली यू आर वेरी ट्रू. आई ऑल्सो एंजॉयड दैट वीडियो अ लॉट. ओके, दैट वॉज द सुपर डुपर वीडियो आई हैव एवर सीन, okay, on my channel. So yes, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Balaji Sundaram Balaji, and he's commenting on Vikram official title teaser reaction. He's commenting cool surprises, shocks, amazes, interesting, curious to see, BGM and cinematography, art direction, fabulous work, stand apart. Kamal Hassan's India's biggest method actor, world cinema watching his work. You are very true. He's a very versatile actor. He's a world-class actor, and he has gotten a lot of awards for his contribution to the Indian film industry. his work really stand apart. You are very true. And yes, the cinematography, the wooden structure at the very beginning, the whole execution of the scene, the picturization is like bound to say anything else, I think. Okay, I really enjoyed the starting of the video itself, because from the starting itself it was giving you thrill. Okay, the music behind the whole scene was like giving you thrills again and again in your body, and you were like, okay, I have to see that. You cannot, turn your eyes away. Like, this was that much standard scene. Okay, and also that scene was very much relatable with one story which I already told. I didn't tell that the whole teaser. This was a 2 minutes or 1 minute long teaser. I am not judging that. The teaser itself is telling a story, and that story which I was telling is completely similar. I did not tell that. I did not tell. People are keep on telling. I just told that it was reminding me of that, and I several times I told that that story which I was narrating is not matchable with the story. It was reminding me of that story. Maybe people cannot understand what I am saying. Maybe my English is very bad that people cannot understand what I am trying to say. I don't know. But yes, he was a cop. I think he was a very strong person, and he was ready to protect the surrounding. I think protect his family, maybe protect his village and whatever. And he has invited some guests who are criminals, and he was like shooting. Okay, that is kind of a like trap he has maintained, and we saw that thing only in the teaser. So really the topic itself is a dying for topic, and really amazing. Okay, so cannot wait to see the original teaser and trailer and the movie. Okay, so thank you so much, Balaji, for commenting and for watching our video. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.